Do you need to make some quick crochet gifts? Well, stick around because I've got some patterns for you. I would like to say a huge thank you to today's coffee sponsor. Carla has sponsored today's coffee. Huge thank you, Carla, and you have been following me for years, and I have known your name for years on my channel, so a huge thank you and appreciate the subscription. You knew me when I had Bob, and Bob's been gone, I think about 10 years now. He was our dog, so he's been gone about 10 years, so very long time. Appreciate you. If you would like to buy me a coffee, then I will leave the link in the description box below. So I've put a collection together of easy crochet gifts that you can make for others. You can also make them for yourself, of course. First up on our list, it's Fall Yole. And this is a very easy project to do. You can make it in different yarns. I've used 2 yarns held together. You could use the same color or you could use 2 different ones. You could use one fluffy, one not. You can mix it up to make it how you would like it. It is a beginner's project, so it's easy to work up. And again, you can adjust the width of this project, so great for any member of the family. Another easy project is the Easy Ribbed Hat. This project has been around for ages, and I think I'm going to guess and say I made this about 10 years ago, but it's still a popular video. It uses easy stitches, and that makes it a great beginner project. And if you want the complete set, you can also make the Easy Rib fingerless mitts. I call them fingerless mitts. Fingerless gloves, I don't know what you want to call them. Hand warmers, whatever. They're great for the cooler weather, which is coming up in the Northern Hemisphere. The ribbed fingerless mitts are a great beginner project, so if you're a beginner, check them out. Next up on my list is the Infinity Scarf. This uses the cross stitch, which sounds harder than it actually is. If you know how to do a double crochet, you're going to know how to make this scarf. It walks you step by step, like all my crochet tutorials do, through the project, and this one is a great beginner project as long as you know how to do the double crochet already. You can adjust the length of this, so it is a great project for various members of the family. Next up is our hot water bottle cover. This is again a easy project. Hey, you're here for the easy projects. Did you see the title of this video? Yes. So it is an easy project and it uses the granny stitch. It's fast to work up, and if you're going into the cooler months, this is a must on your crochet list. The Cozy Cowl is again a beginner's project. It starts off as a triangle. So it starts off at the bottom down here, works its way up, and then you create the cowl. And you can make the cowl as long as you want. You can use any yarn you like. It's a project that you keep crocheting until you've got the measurement that you need. It's an easy project, great for beginners, and at the end of it, you have a really cool product. This video tutorial has been very popular and people love the way that it turns out. And I think I've already said this, but you can use any yarn that you like. This new project is a scarf. The good thing about this project, there's no sewing in any ends. That's all right. You heard it here. No sewing in any ends. This project This project uses 2 strands of... Oh, no, it doesn't use 2 strands. This project uses 2 different coloured yarns, so it gives a really cool effect. This has a ribbed texture, so you could make it as well as the ribbed scarf and the ribbed fingerless mitts. You could also use this scarf for a little matching set if that's what you like. If not, just make it by itself. A very quick project is the crochet pouch. This uses 2 solid granny squares, and then you join them together and add a little, add the little loop on the end and you're done. Very quick project. You can make a lot of these for school friends, for people at work when you've got secret Santas or anything like that. You could hang these on the Christmas tree and put little treats in them. I actually made mine to put my earbuds, whatever you call them, those things that you play music on. I used it for those. That's what the size that I made it to fit. Another idea for the little crochet pouch is to put your tape measure in. When I went to a crochet retreat recently, we got a goodie bag and there was a little pouch attached and it has a tape measure in it, which I thought was an awesome idea. This next project, I'm pretty sure, is one of my most popular makes. Everyone, well, not everyone, just about everybody has made one of these crochet bags. I've also done a lining tutorial, so if you know how to use a sewing machine, you can do it by hand if you like. If you know how to use a sewing machine, then you can make a lining for the bag as well. This was a very popular question, so I was able to, with my basic sewing skills, make a tutorial on how to line the bag. So don't worry, it's not hard, because if I can do it, it's not hard. I can sew, but just straight lines, yeah, that's about my talent when it comes to sewing. The crochet loofah is a great gift when you don't know what to buy someone. Let's face it, everybody has a bath or a shower or a wash, so they're going to use a crochet loofah. And to make a matching set, you can also make face wipes to go with it. Both projects are easy to make and work up pretty quick. If you are just trying to get your tension correct, the loofah is perfect for that, because the stitches really don't matter on a crochet loofah. You're going to wash your body with it. It's not something that you're going to put into the local show and trying to win a prize. It doesn't matter if your stitches aren't even. Last up on my list is the crochet hot pad. Again, another project you can make for someone when you don't know what to make them. You don't know what they like. So you can make the crochet hot pad. Most people are going to use this in their kitchen. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, happy crochet. Bye.